Magic is real, but it's not what most of us think it is. Real magic is waking up in the morning knowing that you have another day to live. So many people won't get a chance. Magic is opening your curtains, looking outside the windows and seeing life, people, plants, animals. Magic is taking that first sip of your tea or coffee in the morning, closing your eyes to inhale its aroma and play with its taste in your mouth. Magic is that delicious deep inhale you take when you step outside, the touch of the sun on your skin, the breeze in your hair, the earth that you're walking on. Magic is when you go out into the nature and see trees who are older than you. Magic is hearing the birds sing, watching the bees pick up the pollen from the flowers, or catching a glimpse of a butterfly. Magic is moving your body, learning new things, and finding yourself doing things you never thought you would be able to do. Magic is learning about yourself, figuring out who you are and what role you're playing in this symphony of life. Magic is listening to your heart, who knows the answers before you even ask. Magic is also listening to your body, its wisdom, your inner teacher. Magic is everywhere, within you and around you. And you can't only see it, you can hear it, touch it, taste it, feel it. You can be it. You can be magic. Life itself is magic, and it's there for you. So go ahead and live it.